Number 5, identify the sample space of the probability experiment and determine the number of outcomes in the sample space. So in here, determining an athletic sport, baseball, soccer, football, and skill, being low, medium, or high, identify the sample space. So this, they want you to use these words: B for baseball, S for soccer, F for football. And they're going to have different skills. So this is going to be, we use the letters B for baseball, soccer, and football. Each one of them, they have 3 levels of skills. So each one of these are going to be 3 levels. So we're doing this chart to help you. This is going to be a tree. This is called a tree. So the skills are low, medium, or high, low, medium, or high, low, medium, or high. So notice that it looks more like option C in this exercise, okay? And they usually connect it here. Let me erase this part. Okay, so that's how you make the tree diagram. And we notice that it looks like that one. So, but this helps you answer part A. You can be in baseball with a low skill, you can be in baseball with a medium skill, or you can be in baseball with a high skill. So baseball, baseball low, baseball medium, baseball high. The same thing with soccer, low, medium, high. Football, low, medium, and high. So the right answer is B. You just go through the branches to help you create the sample space. Okay? And we can see that there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can see there are going to be 3 from each. So there are 9 outcomes in the sample space. So this is a list of the sample space. This is a tree diagram. And then you just count the number of outcomes. Next, number 6. Determine the number of outcomes in the event. Decide whether the events are simple events or not. A computer is used to select randomly a number between 1 and 9 inclusive. The event A is selecting a number greater than 5. Selecting a number greater than 5. So if the computer is choosing between numbers between 1 and 9 inclusive, that means that the choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So event A are numbers greater than 5. So this is event A. Event A will consist of the numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this has 4 outcomes. Since it has more than 1 outcome, is the event a simple event? The answer, these are the choices for this here. The answer is no, because event A has more than 1 outcome. So this is more than, and this is no. So these are the choices. Like when you do the homework, it will be a drop-down menu. Number 7. A restaurant offers a $12 dinner special that has 7 choices for an appetizer, 11 choices for an entree, and 5 choices for dessert. How many different meals are available when you select an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert? So notice again, I want to emphasize and. So you're going to choose an appetizer and an entree and a dessert. So we are to multiply, and the question is, in how many different meals are available? Notice that they're not asking you to find the probability. So it's in a way they're asking you for, in how many ways can we choose an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert based on the choices that I have for each one of them. For appetizers, you can choose from 7. From the entree, you have 11 to choose from, and dessert, you have 5 to choose from. So therefore, you will multiply 7 times 11 times 5. 7 times 11 times 5, that is equal to 385. That is the number of ways in which you can choose a meal. If it was asking you for what is the probability of you choosing that meal, it will be 1 meal out of 385. But it's not asking you for the way of probability, it's asking you for ways. So therefore, you're using the counting principle is what we're using here. So that's it for this video. We'll stop here.